Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Pop 7. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer or search for Files app. Enter it. I recommend using the files provided by Google. And thanks to this app, you've got access to share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, browse function, thanks to which you can check your internal storage, apps, documents, audio, videos, images, and downloads, which are categorized. Then you can go to clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and then you can go to recycle bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.